standard, reading today's news related to UPSC exams. Before going into the news, I request you all to subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video.
Governance. Jan Andolan. Prime Minister launched a Jan Andolan campaign for COVID-19 appropriate behavior. The campaign was launched through a tweet keeping in mind the upcoming festivals, winter season as well as the opening up of the economy. Prime Minister Modi in his post appealed to the people unite to fight corona and to always remember to wear a mask, wash hands, follow social distancing and practice Do Gaj Ki Doori. Science and Technology. Nobel Prize in Literature 2020. American poet Louis Gluck won the 2020 Nobel Literature Prize. The prize is for themes of childhood and family's life that draw inspiration from myths and classical motifs. Cyclone Warning System. Indian Meteorological Department plans to launch dynamic impact-based cyclone warning system. The move will help in minimizing the economic losses and damages to the property due to the intense weather system. The major impact can be seen in the pre- and post-monsoon months from the cyclone season. The storm during the month of October to December, particularly in the Bay of Bengal, ravaged the eastern coast and damaged property. Until now, IMD only gives a warning about the kind of damage that can be expected during the cyclone. Under the cyclone warning system, district or location specify tailored warnings which will factor in the infrastructure, local population, settlements, land use as well as other elements will be disseminated and prepared. Security. Vigraha. The Indian Coast Guard have launched a 98-meter offshore patrol vessel Vigraha at a private shipyard in Kachupalli, Chennai. The vessel is the one among the series of 7 vessels that were designed and built for a Coast Guard. The vessels have been built and designed by Larsen and Toubro Shipbuilding under the Make in India initiative. Infrastructure. Jiwar Airport. The government of Uttar Pradesh and the Juresh Airport International AG signed a 40-year concession agreement which grants license to Juresh Airport for designing, building and operating the Noida International Airport. The concession agreement was signed with the Yamuna International Airport Private Limited, a special purpose vehicle incorporated by Juresh Airport for this project. Special Accelerated Road Development Program in Northeastern Areas. The Union Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways has enhanced the allocation of the funds for SARDAP and any related works during the current fiscal year. Under SARDAP-NE, the Indian government has undertaken a massive road development program in the Northeast region to support infrastructure development. International Relations. Advanced Manufacturing Hub. The Advanced Manufacturing Hub, which is first of its kind in the country, will be jointly set up by World Economic Forum and Guidance in Tamil Nadu. AM Hub is one among the 19 platforms that has been designed by the World Economic Forum. The hub would help the state Tamil Nadu in sectors of solar energy, electronics, electric mobility, and textiles. Indo-German Initiative for Technical Education. Telangana Government Science Center of Excellence on High Value Vegetables to improve and promote the livelihoods of farmers. The Meghalaya government entered into partnership with Israel to establish a one-of-a-kind center of excellence high-value vegetables. COE is important for tapping the diverse biodiversity and available resources in the state in terms of its soil and agroclimatic condition. India, Japan. The Union Cabinet under the chairmanship of Prime Minister approved the signing of a memorandum of cooperation in the field of cyber security between India and Japan. Through MOC, both the nations will affirm cooperation in international arena including the United Nations, sharing and discussing strategies and best practices to promote the integrity of the supply chain of information communication technology ICT products. Miscellaneous. Broadcast Audience Research Council. It is a joint industry body founded by stakeholder bodies that represent broadcasters, advertisers, and advertising and media agencies. It functions under the Information and Broadcasting Ministry and the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. It is also the world's largest television measurement science industry body. Target rating point. It is the metric used by the marketing and advertising agencies to evaluate this viewership. In India, the TRP is recorded by the Broadcast Audience Research Council using barometers that are installed on televisions in selected households.
Thank you for watching my video. Today's PPT is given in the description box. Hope you all enjoyed our channel. Once again I repeat, please subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video. See you tomorrow.